Denali's bath time. Here's Denali.
She's having a bath after a nice play outside in the rain. She doesn't really like baths, but you know, you gotta give them to her anyways. Hey guys, I'm one of the people that work with Denali, and this is my sister Christina. I'm Hope.
And you may know us from the pumpkin videos. So we're the production buddies.
And Christina is gonna tell us actually about some new videos we're gonna be making.
Well, we're gonna do some videos with Denali. We already have filmed some. And so Denali actually has a cousin. His name is Bo, and you may know our other production buddy, Kate. She's from the pumpkin videos. And you may know her. And so it's actually her dog. It's like a 6-week-old golden retriever, and Denali and Bo will be doing some videos together. So
stay tuned, guys. See you soon.